Well, yeah, there's three things I'd love to have with Zapier Chatbots.
Okay.
We use Notion and Google Docs. I need those to be the data sources. I want to use Anthropic's Claude, and I want our customers, when they're interacting with the chatbot, to be able to submit a ticket with like a button click. So can chatbots do those three things?
Yes. Let me show you. Notion or Google Docs, you got it. Add them as a knowledge source. Your chatbot knows everything that's in those Notion pages, those Google Docs, so it can respond with the right answers. Want to use Anthropic? Now you can choose Claude right from the drop down here. And customers submitting tickets with a button, just add some logic. A Zap button gets run every time a certain keyword is used, like ticket. Give it an icon, change up some text, create that logic and a zap when the user clicks the button. You'll have the trigger, then you can build out other steps. Like an AI step to analyze the entire transcript and then pull out everything it needs to create a ticket in Zendesk. Now when someone's talking with your chatbot, they need to submit a ticket, it'll open up and it will give them a button to do just that. Now we're talking workflows, that's my love language. You can submit a ticket or you can create a button for anything else. Maybe submit a quote, maybe email me a summary. This could be used for lead management on your website or with customers and support.
Okay, wow. So you can build just about anything with this.
Yes, sir. Check out Zapier Chatbots.